Patrick, head chef at the kitchen here. We're gonna show you how we are sending out the fruit for you for round fruits, melons, anything like that. This is how you'll receive them. We send them out this way so that the fruit holds its integrity. But at your sites, you may choose to cut it down more, whatever is developmentally appropriate. So, I'll show you how that looks. The watermelon. So we're flattening it, and then we're gonna go through and just send larger chunks like this. And what you may decide to do at your site, just take it a step further. Cut it like that. Maybe you want to take it completely off the rind. But this is how you will receive fruit to the sites.